See all this stuff behind me? This is one of my problems. One of many. I'm a classic hoarder. In fact, it's like my own personal episode of Hoarders Seniors Edition. I thought I was collecting antiques. Turns out I was just stockpiling junk. But it's actually some vintage cameras and everything cameras and video. Those are the boxes, those are the proof. Basically, vintage cameras are so inexpensive right now, it just harkened me back to my high school days when I had one camera and I wanted more and I wanted a better camera and I wanted a video camera that only the schools had. And that's when it all started. COVID. The COVID shutdown. It gave me the time. Idle minds, idle bodies are the devil's workshop. I guess the devil in me was to buy cameras and video equipment. Again, it's my own classic video and my own classic version of Hoarders Senior Edition. Again, I thought I was collecting antiques and vintage equipment, and maybe I was just collecting junk, like what the latest and greatest people want. They want brand new cameras. They want $1,000 cameras. They want $2,000 cameras. And I was just collecting $100 cameras at the most, below a camera for $1, a camera for $5, a thrift store camera, a camera for $20. It's just amazing what you can get on the auction sites. Again, this is the big question. Am I a hoarder? Or am I a savvy collector?